High-tech mongers, the iPhone 15 just launched, and apart from the USB Type-C, which we already knew was coming, here are some of the features to expect on the iPhone 15 that may help you decide to get one. The dynamic island, which used to be an exclusive reserve of the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max, is now available across the 15 lineup, and it's now even more dynamic with more functionality. The iPhone 15 comes with slimmer bezels around the screen, which gives a feeling of more screen real estate and a cooler display. The iPhone 15 comes in 5 colors: black, blue, green, yellow, and one with a feminist appeal: pink. The iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus will retain the aluminum body and the A16 Bionic chipset, while the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max will pack the all-new titanium body and the A17 Pro Bionic 3nm chipset. Perhaps the most profound feature of the iPhone 15, the good old ring silence switch, has been replaced with a button that is customizable for different tasks. The iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max will retail for $700, $900, $1,000 and $1,200 respectively. Overall, there's nothing really new, so will you still be buying the iPhone 15? Android users, do you think it's worth it? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video with your friend, like it, and follow for more.